Please hit the like button and share the video. Grand Rising on this day, August the 1st. Yeah. I greet you, my wonderful people. Salute, salute, salute. Abubakar Sadiq Usman. Well done. My people, before I get to the Okwuluora Enugu, no, now where they call am Okwuluora now they speak for people wey say be their Okwuluora. Ya dey kwuru no, or dey kwuru my mother dey kwuru many things no. Mo je ka me kwuru onwe m and enwekwa onye na-ekwuru. No so na wey dey find savior every time when I sabi give people name. Truth Matthew. My dear, my brother, leave these people. Let them keep praising him now. How about Agudosi? Well done, my brother. Let them praise him further. Guys, please tap the like button on this page. I'm trying to do certain things to it to make sure it gets survived back. It's not even functioning at 30% capacity right now. You do Stephen, you do the big man. Well done, my brother. Andrew Mobodo. Well done, Amadioha TV. Darling. Mohammed Dalami. Yaiki. Truth matter, I see you. My people, who is this woman that calls herself Lolo Nneka Chimezie? One, that the name sounds fake. Just like Nnamdi Kanu, his name is Nwanne Kenny Oku. This Nnamdi Kanu in job name, in 419 name. You see this woman, that name, go check am, because how can someone that old, yeah, no abona agadi ekwenka. That woman senior me very well now. Ochie go agadi ekwenka, agadi my baby. So how the father is supposed to be from 70 and above. I don't know any Chimeze that is 55 years. If it's Chinemeze, maybe. Because the people, someone that is old enough to be her father can't be bearing that name. We in the Igbo, we give our names generationally. Yes, we give our names generationally. You can't, I've not seen any Igbo man or woman answering Chisom that is 80, 85 years. So this one that is calling herself Nneka Chimeze, I don't believe it's her name. I don't believe it's her name. But I was in Ikoyi prison. You people know now when Zion B people and their Ebukobi with their police took me there, and the politicians that put their hand, in case you forgot it. I was there when I saw her making a statement on a national platform. They even read it on her Rise News and many news outlets. Why she was saying that she drove from Osumogu to Osu-Itopa to all these places, all these known Iseke. Is it not this Iseke that people showed the basket market? Which other one? Which other one? Is it not this Iseke that is empty that the people are not shouting? This same useless woman came and told you people that the place is safe. Okay, it is so safe that the 95% of the people have disappeared. As a Uncle you say you passed from Nilu. And the Governor Ikeboro, Hope Uzodimma, this hope is trying to become hopeless. So this hope is becoming hopeless by the day. Governor Ikeboro, this is a woman doing it. Of course, if you weren't in Abuja those times, I saw you many videos on TV. We hardly see him in any place in Imo State. Difficult, maybe this one why they talk at now. This one they go church, they go show am for church. They go show am for church now. Make they talk say, make una wait now, make it try go church this Sunday, put photo. Me, I go see use and do video. Or una go see am for market. Make it come do una boju boju. The guy wey talk the Nsukka own say na Fulani herdsmen, where in dey now? No be in dey prison. DSS, Enugu DSS wey no even pure reach Imo State DSS. But dem go leave this woman dey waka around, dey spread this propaganda. You una know the new one, na Yoruba people dey don come dey attack now. Wetin I tell una? If na Benin person be president, na Benin people dem go tell you. Now, dem no fit tell you say na dem carry gun. Why? People anger, this fish magnet matter. For whatever reason, VDM covered it and didn't blame Fulani herdsmen. Now they will find a way to blame the Yorubas. They are not blaming them for what is happening to them in Ghana, South Africa. I will play the video. And Governor Ike will leave this woman. We have DSS in Imo State. We have police in Imo State. Leave army. This one small now. Now army go leave waiting then they do not go. They find this Utobo. Make a plan for an amount. See. I go still do them do short video. I'm trying to load it on. It's download. But let me start playing it first.
Good morning, fellow Nigeria. My name is Lolo Nneka.
Wait. Let me connect it to the speaker. Let me use speaker so I go there. Here and well.
Good morning, fellow Nigerian. My name is Lolo Nneka.
You are now a Nigerian.
I want to call the attention of Nigerians to a deadly group that has been with us for a very long time, but they've managed to operate under the guise of tribe that the rest of Nigerians has not been able to decode them. This group, I call them the gangsters and the mobsters. And these gangsters and the mobsters originated from the Yoruba land, Lagos State to be precise. And the founder of these gangsters and mobsters is our current president. President Ahmed Tinubu is the founder, sponsor, founder of this mob group. Just like our former president, President Muhammad Buhari, is one of the founders of Boko Haram. One of their sponsors, one of their founders, we all know. Our current president is also the founder and also the founder of this mob group. And their headquarters is in Lagos. They have been able to deceive Nigerians because they don't carry arms. But the weapon they carry is deadlier than arms. They are more deadly than Boko Haram. They are more deadly than militants. They are more deadly than any other deadly group you can mention. Their weapon, the greatest weapon of all, tongue. The smallest part of the body that can
Ona they see this Saga, my baby. No, she's calling deadly groups. As somebody from the southeast, what is the number one deadly group posing a threat to your life? IPOB BSN. Oh, mama, give them any name you like, BLA, B whatever. We know it's the same people. Now money be their problem. We make them split. Different politicians, they use this ones. Different politicians, they use this one. When this one, when they use this one on this side, get probe, go call the other person, then you go inform this one, say this one na their man. I'm coming. Let me finish with this thing. You I'm sorry for that yesterday. I will explain to you later why I went somewhere. You understand? You dey hear am? Are you hearing this thing? You see how disgusting this thing sounds? People will believe it because hatred. They've used hatred to build a concrete wall around their heads that nothing reasonable gets through their skulls anymore. Look at what this woman is saying. Governor Ike of Imo State will not do anything about it. Oh. Hope Uzodinma, should we send Peter back to tell you what you should do? Or you see why I said Wike should be the governor of Imo State, sole administrator. Let Hope Uzodinma be FCT minister. At least he knows Wike is building roads. He himself knows how to build road. Let him be in Abuja. It seems he loves here so much. If not, in a state where you have a functional governor, this woman should be in jail before 6 p.m. This woman should be in jail before 6 p.m. Now, you mean you can't track this woman? You people can't track down this woman or what? Or you don't want to do it? Which one is it? It has to be one. Imagine somebody that is not living in Lagos knows that they are planning something in Lagos. You in Lagos now, this one wey dey inside bush, look at the background where she died, got my baby. You let's jeje 165 per yard. Babe akoheri. No ordinary you. She's pure IPOP now. This is giving support to a terrorist group. 12 years imprisonment. Like any junior lawyer now will take this woman to court, jail her, make an example out of her, the rest will shut up. They will not do it. Because most of your politicians love what she's saying. This is the quagmire they want you to be in. So you don't ask them what they're doing with your money. How many schools have they built since 2023 election finish? You mean these people that have finished mansions, different mansions of their own, but not one school? Eh? These people are taking us for fools. We have senator from Oluzo, no cities in Aso. This is your senatorial district. Why are we not hearing your voice? Or are we going to still tell Peter Obi to do this one when it's from Anambra State? We have Imo Orientation Agency. Are they countering this thing now? Let's continue.
Can set the whole world on fire. Propaganda, lying. Most importantly, they hide under ethnic coloration, presenting themselves as protectors of the Yoruba land, causing mayhem, trying to sponsor another genocide. This group were part of those that sponsored the propaganda that caused the civil war. Young soldiers carried out a coup, which all part of Nigeria were part of. All of a sudden, they gave it an ethnic coloration.
Shut up. Shut the hell up. The 1966 coup is an Igbo coup. In this video, she will tell them, so many people have, okay, give us the names of those people that performed. How many Yoruba men, their name entered there? Adegboyega and Ademolegun. Meanwhile, one was killed by the people the other one supported. Not then a James Spam by Brigadier Melody. The man that had his wedding celebration, marriage celebration that night. It happened. Azikiwe did not disappeared. Who led the Lagos operation? Emmanuel Ifajuna from where? Onitsha. Zeke from where? Onitsha. Are you understanding it? Are you getting it now? Then check the victims. The 4 premiers there, 3 were eliminated. 1 was spared. That one happens to be Michael Okpa. Go read your history before somebody will take you, will jam your head against the wall. All in them are defending you. You see, you see this my book. Now, the destruction where they wait for now, make me self never marketer. This reverse 66, in fact, he go day first. Make on he see shaggy, enough shaggy. They don't write another book, give you an election, don't they reach? They say IBB. Look at IBB, the current state of Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida general. You think the general has the power to write a book? Now this one, I said they carry cut and join. All these things you talk, which one makes sense? It starts from Boko Haram. Oh, na Buhari. Oh, Tinubu don't start the old. The civil war. This is did the propaganda start the civil war or did 1966 coup? Well, if you people like, come praise people like Hannah. If you people are not encouraging this nonsense, such a person will not be bold enough to come and make this video. At least you have now gotten insight into how they plan their Fulani attack. They can't blame Fulani again. Remember when she went to, after that blast at Awidemi, that market, didn't this same woman come and tell you people that it was the Fulani, for Fulani? Now, gentle voice note don't leak. Many people are much aware. Nobody they shall Fulani again. They want to move it to Yoruba. Tomorrow, a Junku man will be president of Nigeria. They will turn it to Junku. Are you understanding how these people are playing you people like a fiddle? Because they know where to touch you. Umuokoko.
Now, this time around, they've taken it far. They are not doing it just in Nigeria. They are sponsoring it all over Africa. And some countries are buying into it. But guess what? When they sponsored it in South Africa. We have proofs. We are on a group. A Yoruba person was telling South Africans that it is the Igbos. So they should carry xenophobia on Igbo people. But guess what? Both Igbos, Yorubas, and any other person.
You see the rubbish this foolish woman is vomiting. Xenophobic attacks for South Africa. Nah, Yoruba people. How many series of those attacks have we witnessed in South Africa in the last 25 years alone? Are you seeing how you people are looking for trouble? You go say it no concern you, but you are keeping quiet. Why such a useless woman is vomiting this garbage? We have a governor in Imo State, as they say. He will not act. Guys, they don't come again. Please tap the like button on the video. Hit the like button and share the video. Let there be activity. It's the way you to counter this their nonsense because they are not happy with this message. Yoruba are the ones enforcing illegal sit at home. Of course, now. Of course. You people in Lagos, keep on keeping quiet. Keep on. This foolish animal will resemble retired Ashawo. Because if this one they house with a responsible man, she no go come dey disgrace herself like this for internet. This woman will resemble Akonuchi Akona. Ajugoronaya will be there and use her useless tongue to put you people in trouble. Keep on keeping quiet. Are you hearing me? Which thing on? I don't want to say I'm against our people. Don't worry until you go collect. Don't worry. Once the people that were singing Ewu Nebe in Enugu were singing Ewu Nebe, people in Kano kept quiet. when the repercussion come, now people where they cannot chop am. So now, so you know, say when I talk, when I say I be prophet of doom, I'm telling you the impending disaster they are laying down for you. They want them to attack you. Then they will tell people, you see, we told you they are jealous of us. Jealous of you in what way? That you have more land than them, that you have more food than Yoruba people, that you have more personalities than them. Like, which one waiting you take past the way they go take the jealous you? Legitimate money. Count industries for Nigeria. Count the highest employing industries for Nigeria. Count 10 billionaires from your side. How many people were they employ? Count 5 billionaires from there. How many people were they employ? Dr. Chico Miller, that one. You dey there, they keep quiet. If they talk, you say then they jealous you. Then this time around, when he go start for Lagos, I swear, now I go stand on top of the bridge, they laugh on. If I no do, I make thunder fire me. All these unions in Lagos, market unions, village unions, town unions, make on rise up. You people need to, you let these fools, radio de Lagos, TV de Lagos, I need to go, they counter this nonsense on air. Warn everybody, warn Aspanda, Alaba, Ala Igbo, and they tell you when you go set. No be that noise, no, na own people when they intimidate inside those markets. And I know say, if they do like this, go challenge Molete, then go bring them. Ilorin, go Shogo. Bring all these people, join them with people where they mushing. You see all those markets when I go here when. They go wipe on and the whole Nigeria go support them. Will make I tell you. Nobody be fool, oh. Nobody be fool, oh. When I go see on our governors, all of them I go keep quiet. They praise them, they lick their ash. Well, keep it up. The places where then they live, riots, no, they reach there. Now you wait their market go collect her. You think say Yoruba people now Fulani people now they insult anyhow. It is say na 2022 I want on another one. O say it, match you not man of. So now they talk, oh, the fish man, fuck fish magnet, fuck him. You see that fish magnet, fuck him. Okay, you don't know say these people they since. The mother no be Abga. No be Abga people first use Mazob, they play all this kind of dirty politics. We una don't forget. Now in life, big past, go or should go see how many holes where they don't fill with human lives. On a day that they say, oh, be fish magnet. Fuck him, fuck fish magnet. Fuck him. How many people they don't buy? For na front, Gatuso buy Dora Kunyili Pikin. One of them, fuck him again. Fuck his mother's cry. Only son. I be the only son where they buy. Ugochukwu Nwanos. They buy him for that also. Boy, where in mother, a widow raised with how many children, suffer finish. It don't reach the person where it will be so because when they say for social media. How about others when I know they see for social media? Obiora Abasimelo, the family don't see the body. Gatuso know the waka. He fuck anybody. Fuck your fake cry. Peter Obi only fought Mazob when there was a crisis in Mazob. Ojuku gang and the Pito. You forget say them impeach Peter Obi. You forget say they impeach him from office. You don't know when some Mazob people they drag and make it bring the money made in the chop. Of course, Ngige don't first expose that thing, fight for and pay the price till date. Godfatherism. You know, on I no know when Ojuku and all these people can start them. Then the same people will campaign for them 2023 2003 election. Now the same people they want to use against them. You go Abuja, tell OBJ send Mopodia, they can't clear everybody. If you don't know how that thing happened, come make I tell you. Now why Usain Bolt was insulting him. Do you understand? No, nothing. But they tell those things. We witnessed it. They called me to be their secretary. I refused. Then they recruited my friend Stanley. I know how Stanley was saved. In fact, my father helped him that money to escape. How many youths did they waste? They tell me, say Peter Obi did what? Okay, let him speak now. Una say more fish magnet. Fuck him. Now me talker. Now they craze. Where is the body of Obiora Ndigbo? And they call it Kofoni. Imagine how many people from Osu. These ones where then they use chop egusi soup. No be people children. No, na they clap for them. Somebody say Umaka is finished though. Ekwesịrị ịza ụmụaka since aka na-adụ ogwu ehụla ụmụaka ehụla amụrie ehụla amandụa ehụla ekwe ebe ndị niile si ebe a na-achọ ịnụ ntị. Every generation Biafra war unu nwụrụ, nke 2003 unu nwụrụ, nke Peter Obi and Ojukwu dem crisis unu nwụrụ, nke kịta akwa unu eburize ebe niile aha kwesịrị egwu agwụ. Ebe niile a kwesịrị egwu ekwesịrị ikpochi ya. No, beside they saw people come. I called my own hometown too. And then selective outcry. So this is what we didn't cry since Unanosia. Now, please don't forget. Fuck anybody. Governors who na in Abuja. On our governors, they do traditional marriage for their children for Abuja. All of them keep quiet. Now they want drag on her, go jam on her head with Yoruba people. Trailer we na chiri una. Na trailer one club all of you. They come, more than they come. Mabo. Una want come now, you go no say Hausa Fulani people na quiet people. Chineke abuhu no fuel no clear on no so no be. Nothing go touch me for Lagos. Try more na try. More for Lagos. As I go dey Lagos, you go they go expire on a day pass. I go dey pass, that nobody go touch me. Because the gods of our land are with me. I no follow on a dey drag unnecessary enmity. Everywhere where I go, problem. Now Yoruba people. Like you could have made a prophecy, write this or in a bottle, go lock it in a bank safe. Today you go just go carry camera, go there, they go bring her, open her. Everything we said in 2022, all don't happen. And I'm telling you the new one. This one where this place where they go. This place where they go, una no go come out. Una don't leave her. Hope who's on them na miari wa na Abuja zohariwa. Don't do anything, no. Don't do it. Those of on where they see where they shake your hand. This sabi share dollar now. Go they collect dollar. No talk to that. Happen na anuma no. Ko no ekotebu no. Ndi idiot. That soldier girl where they buy the husband. Imagine say there are people wicked like other people. Then go check on people who fool their state capital. Clear like 40 people. By then I will get sense. I've been at the young police girl. That they tell me fish magnet. Fuck him again. Now some fish magnet. Now today, one innocent girl, no be their innocent sister at home, they take by her. All of una kept quiet. If they told you people to come out only one day, you people are just observe one day. Inaya tondo gbagburu unu. Kịta ka unu tetere n'ụra. Ndị blọkwa n'ọchụ. Ndị ara. Ọchụ. Blọk goro anụmanụ a. Kama ọ na-eme unu na-akọgheri. Nnekwu mmadụ na-ekpegho gị inu. Let's continue. Make it touch them.
Igbo land in Nigeria, and Nigerian citizen was also affected. They have been sponsoring this in Ghana. And may I let you know that Mrs. Sabike Dabiri, she can start chasing me around, is also the spokesperson of this gangster. Now, in Nigeria, what they are trying to sponsor, they are sponsoring another genocide. They are looking for a loophole. Just like before the war. They were looking for a loophole. Now, they are just looking for one thing. But you know the way they behave. They think they are smart. They want all Africans to see Igbos as problematic, as cancer, as something they will remove. So that when they start it in Lagos. Now, I have an information to give. During genocide, people from those states, East, southeast, south were all killed. I want to call the attention of my Edo brothers, Calabar brothers,
Okay, now who buy those people where you mentioned? See this Okoko. Abi want make Edo people begin tell you what happened to them for 1966 coup. On our way they talk about reparation, war where on start. In case you don't know, you declare war, one region, one separate for a country illegally. Anything will happen to you. You no get any place where you go. No law, international law, where una dey quote, where una no know. Umokoko. Edo. Make them demand their £5 million for your hand. Many documents where they thief, gold and everything. Cash of 2.something million pounds. You know how much will be that money today? Federal government is supposed to seize every allocation going to South. After all, we will not know what they use and do. Pay those people first for their own reparation. Una buy their premier. You never see the Biafra video archives where people from South they tell you say they force them. Why do you think they opened their place and were showing the soldiers, the Nigerian troops, where all of your brothers who invade their land today? Do you want to talk about the Warri invasion? Do you want to talk wetin they do to women for Edo State, for Ishan, for Warri? You don't go read history. Do you really want to open this old wound? Ijikwa ofu anụ ọgụ ị na-anụ. Ọgụ ị na-eji na-eji họkwa ọfọ na ya. Nobody taught us this history. You have to read widely before you know this thing. And those people, as this woman they talk this thing, they remind them of wetin happened to them. Some of those women who were victims, their grandchildren are my mates and your mates. And I then get the energy to deal with your own people where they live for their land. By what these people do, none of your people supposed to live for those states. But they knew that it was a bunch of criminals that did it. That's why they didn't attack you people with blood libel. No. But if you are talking about it this way, I go pay for waiting on that job. Another warning, this one, I no need to sugarcoat. I never did sugarcoat something before. No be now I go sugarcoat am. Don't they call Abike Dabiri? The blackmailed woman made the woman no contact. And you say that she be the leader of the group. Well, Hope Uzodinma send the DSS, made the arrest her, make she come bring all those information, those evidence. If Hope Uzodinma is not supporting these people somehow and is not their sympathizer, we still have his picture with Nnamdi Kanu, who will still publish her. Bless them, I beg, send me Hope Uzodinma picture with Nnamdi Kanu. Make we know whether na that thing make am never arrest this woman like Peter Mba did, the one in Enugu State. Yeah, we need action. Time for talking is over. We need action. Why is he keeping quiet? She even told you that the tongue, as little as it is, has the potential to destroy a people. And this is what she is doing. I told you people, these people love projection very well. Who's all going to have?
Party brothers and all of you, to an average Yoruba man, we are all Igbo. To an average Hausa man, we are all Igbo. Just like to an average Igbo man, from Benue down is north, the Hausa. To an average Yoruba man, the whole north is Hausa. That's how they see us. But when they want to divide us with politics, they will bring the divider. They will now know that an Edo man is an Edo man. But when they want to cheat us or kill us, we all become Igbo. My warning is, the earlier, it's only a fool that something will happen to.
If it's true, why are Edo people not crying like you? Eh? Why are Edo people not crying? So now you know pass Anioma people wey be say they closer to you by geography, but they prefer to deal with Hausas and Fulanis, with Yoruba people pass you. Eh? See the River State people self. They say they don't even want you. On our own people, where they sell into slavery, we still know where they are from. Ala Igbo, Nkwere, Amandowa, Oba. They no one come back. Like on a day good, very well, so they none of them won't come back. And if you see where they get, go River State, go Port Harcourt. Those people will don't become indigenous of Ikwere. Go see if, like Nami one can they tell you this thing. This division where now they bring for Nigeria, I wish may they give on this one your nonsense republic. You will become a wrong state. You see this project to connect you to the Atlantic Ocean, they go block it. Even if they built it, they go block it. Any vessel, or even if they leave them open, now in case on a do nonsense, they go from there and invade on a well, from their ship naval troops. Special forces, they come clear like sure now shake. But they go make them say any ship where they cross there go pay 1 trillion naira before you go the other side. Now you know what that means? You know what that means? Instead, make people carry their ships, say that they will just stop for river side of the ocean. Now, if they offload them for rivers, we go tell on how much way you go, una go dey pay for duty. By that time, una go use on eye, see what una do on herself. Even these ones wey still dey thief on oil dey sell, that oil itself una no go know wetin una go use am do. Because to ship am comot, we Nigeria go tell you say they no need any competition for the oil market too. Unless una go dey sell am to them, then they go help una sell am for international market. Then go ban the crossing of oil to any Nigerian territory. You see one barrel of Brent crude, una go beg make dem collect am 12 naira or $12 per barrel. Like them go show on a shaggy. Where would you get the blessing that Nigeria has given you? None. You have access to how many, do you know how many countries that want to sign a trade agreement with Nigeria. Eh? We illiteracy, you see this failed education system where they worry on our head.
It is raging, it is on. They are pushing it by all means, trying to provoke the Igbos. And I'm also calling on the interests of the Igbos to rise and unite yourself. They were able to succeed in the north because they caught us on the way. With all this noise, if they catch us on the way this time around, don't you think they will liken us to fools? These people are cowards, yes. They cannot challenge you to war. They will hide under federal might because their leader now is the...
Any day you hear that the whole Ndigbo declare war on the whole Yoruba, guy, wrong. You want to study history? Like, let's go back to history. How many wars happened in the entire Igbo land from 1800 to 1899? How many happened in the Yoruba land? If you people had faced, thank the Oba of Benin and the Nana of Igala. Thank them and thank the Yoruba people, because if they hadn't kept the might of Danfodio busy, and if the Oba of Benin did not stop Danfodio in Auchi, my dear, by now all of us would be Muslims. Which people be one try? You want to challenge war? You now want call for war against your back. You feel give me any history backing up this your nonsense, or this one a chest thumping? Eh? You don't study history. Waiting even give on an edge over Yoruba people when Britain hand over Nigeria to black people. Now, war where Yoruba people they fight, when education they go on for Southeast. In case you don't know. Now war keep them busy. You know, say the ones where they Nigeria fight the homie. The might of the, if it could have taken only a European power, which was what it took to destroy Dahomey, like say those people jam on now. See waiting the people will combine with Calabar and Cross River people. Most of these Arab people where they see, many of them their lineage 1,000 years ago, no Igbo land. See how they created Arab confederation over on our head. Now why on no na history, make on ourselves from Israel, Umokoko. See how many kingdoms, small kingdoms, how they manage to gather so many lands. Which one a fight? Say the whole of Arab gets open confrontation, direct confrontation with Egba people. I already gone and no win them all. Make it be Jebu or Ilorin. They for finish on now. You don't know history. Which waiting be your greatest weapon in 1850? 1850, the biggest weapons when enter on hand now, Igbo people will come select people where they do chief. They can't give them Maxim cannon. But the Obas don't buy machine gun that time. Now British people stopped many wars over there. And they know what it took them. So many Yoruba people perish in the hands of the French invaders. You think if Oba Kosoko had marched his army down south and came to a place, who would have stopped him? This lack of history. Like eh? Like na fuku na koheri you na de na koheri. In terms of civilization, when they don't wear their own agbada, go bring any picture or the pictures of your king in 1910. Make we see. Then check some of their paramount rulers 1910, how did they dress, even not where they talk. Go check 1890 Kano. Then bring us evidence on how 1890 Onitsha, the most developed place for Southeast. They, I been now 1890, one take challenge Kano 1890. Enugu 1890, now one take challenge Kano 1890. They born you well. Go read books where Malian Asian scholars write. They see trade routes. This Kano, Sokoto, where they see. Where do you think say carry Arab people come? Where they? You think say na Islam they come bring? No, say now waiting there the kingdom they find come. Which people be inhabit that Sahara desert where they see? Nah, I know the God of the no, I'm not the can they buarish. Shego na wan go fight. More na fight, count me out. Onye koto ogo ọbụna okotoro ọ ga-eji shi anụ ya. Onye ọbụna kotere ihe ọbụna okotere, mma nọ na-akụ na-enenu na-enenu, ọ ga-eji shi ebu ya chukwu kọfị ebu mmadụ amafu. Ntị ekwere ụlọ ọnụ na-akọgheri, wetin you know. Many people you call Anambra today, no be Gala they from. Abi you think say they'll just dash them the land? See Gala people where Igbira people show shege. Now them be Anambra way, some of Anambra way you know today. Abi you know no, make I teach you your history. See many names where then the answer for Nsuke Enugu Ezike, you know they see say na Gala name. You know they notice say the akwe for you Kai. Bring history back. The day when they go bring history back, you go know your position. No only education help us with Igbo people. Because others they busy they fight war. Go check our place. 1940 something village squares they serve as schools. Elders where no they go primary school, but then they learn their own. Now education help us, and that education now don't abandon her. Now one like Agbero, this Agbero na say na they do. Yoruba people na coward. Really? Go challenge, go talk am. Go Mushi. Go talk am for Mushi. Go Molete. Go there, go talk am. The whole Agbero way da back. Onitsha. If you come out to Onitsha, not this way people they do. I go do Igbo here. I mean this bunny people for Abakaleke, and that one used to take compare Onitsha. Carry all of them join together. All of them bring them. Only Ibadan will clear them. You say no wonder they follow Anambra and Igala by leg. They know their history. But they talk nonsense. Like you brainwash yourself so that you believe the brainwash. When I want to go fight, you should na warm up. Now warm up, but so they say, "John Ala good gaga win." Agbaru naga win Ala good. Oh, they want to genocide us. More so.
The presidents, whatever they do, they go scot free. When here, when a tout was intimidated a whole tribe and said he will deal with anybody that doesn't vote a particular party. Nobody said anything.
How many APC people did they buy in the last election? In the Southeast, on it alone, 17 one day. 17 one day. Nobody talk about it in the news, including the so-called APC leaders, where we say that criminals, they are just using APC as a pipeline into Aso Rock. Cross River people don't they tell on. I say, well, in Sima, I trust my brother. I trust my brother and Sima. You go wait now.
Ononuga is one of the PAs to our president. We saw when he said Igbos will never allow to vote in Lagos again. Let me tell you, when they say Igbos will never be allowed,
you forgot that you people put Odua headquarters. Una go carry Biafra flag put there. They share them. Your own people, they social media, they brag, waiting they go do them. How many people they buy for Okota in the last election? The whole of Isolo. For their land, though. For their land. If you echo. You know, say una go do, nobody go share the news, una go keep quiet. But when the repercussion come, well, they hate us. They hate us. This is why I talk. It happened in the last election, you know. If you okwu na-eko na Lagos, okwu unu na-achọ na Lagos, oboso ga-ese it. Na me they tell you. We una go beg, make it stop. Who do you think the whole of Nigeria will witness against? Can ona koherin?
when an Edo man get to the polling booth, that is when you know you are an Igbo man. When a Calabar man get to the polling booth, that is when you know you are a Calabar man. I am calling on the whole Nigeria, the National Assembly. If there is another genocide against Igbos, we will hold you responsible because you close your mouth on this. But I'm using this opportunity to call all South is living in Lagos. This is not a Yoruba affair. This is a monster and gangster.
It is South people na mum. And SARS na and the only BRT, the DNA lab where them born unko. The DNA lab where they born unko. If Lagos people say, may they seize all of our people property until they pay for all those things now, and I will begin to cry. And they will be justified. You see, as Ozune Moho for property in Lagos, so Moho 1 square meter in Lagos, they see a no problem. And some people living in Lagos that make their money in Lagos are still making their money in Lagos will see this one and keep quiet. Don't worry now. Oh, no, can't get the rich.
But they are just like IPOP is in the east. IPOP is domiciled in the east. Boko Haram is domiciled in the north. Militant is domiciled in the south. This monster and gangsters is domiciled in Lagos. It's not an ethnic matter.
Okay.
And I'm calling on
you don't finally believe say IPOP and then they do this. You see as person they fully say, okay, you finally agree that they are the ones. PDP boys in my community come to my house to warn me for going to Buhari rally in 2019. Where we say na two Fulani man be the major presidential candidate then. You see him? They see him. This video now, let me share it in our WhatsApp group. Maybe let me go to hear the rubbish. Don't share for WhatsApp group, Telegram channel. Let me share it on Telegram before we enter to for Okwuluora Ndigbo ka ọ na-ekwuru. Daghị ekwuru m. Nke nji ekwuru mmadụ. I'm sharing it to our Telegram channel. The video is in our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel is the link. Okay, let me show the link to the Telegram channel. Copy link. Okay. On Telegram, if you search Ijele, the king of the game, you will see it there. Ijele, the king of the game. Block one also. Like you can't even know how to write well. You know how to use fake account, but you can't even go and register to adult class. Saying then na AB workman one. Like your nonsense, Kai. Oh gosh, eh, let me
class. Say then.
Let me pin it here. Yes, that's the Telegram link. That's the link to the Telegram. That's linked to the Telegram account. She's not living in Lagos now. She go there for Lagos. They talk this rubbish. They born her well. To the second part of the program, the video is in the Telegram channel. You can watch it over there. We are now in the second part, which is Okwuluora, the one you call Okwuluora. Oh no, I call it Okwuluora. That was taken at Omak. This is the same person, and I heard that their commander was the one that told them to leave him. And I will tell you why they left him. It is because he is their member. He is their supporter. You've seen him calling for seats at home. You've seen him shouting and all these people that are using it to build platform. And from there, they will be using it to this their scam business that they call NGO. Imagine somebody be a philanthropist. Philanthropism, is it a business? Do you know now people like Atos them be philanthropists too? All those ones, Idiga, Aporokanolo. All those people go they call philanthropists who go listen. All these things, all these their thing. No big deal, no be him and Makisha. How him and Makisha matter take go. And I hear say after he can't use DSS arrest Makisha. Enugu DSS. Enugu DSS. Now Makisha will live on now. At least now no be bitchy. There. I go write petition for on her head. Go give him on a new DG here for headquarters. This one no be bitchy. No be bitchy season. I hear says that such a criminal, a confirmed criminal, waiting their COS or whatever this thing for UK. How it take go? How the Makisha money take go? Now you na go there arrest the girl. Say you arrest her. Make her no vex, write better petition, carry am go there. I go even first call person. Nah. Mozu. Somebody help me tag Makisha for here. Make I even call Makisha. No, Makisha number there inside there. We to call her now, ask her make she even whether they don't pay her all her money finish. If not, make we even start the men begin. They crazy. This nonsense. Peter Mba must know the type of people he associates himself with. Because when such a fraudster is exposed, finally exposed now, it will rub off for him. Say that rest, which people catch you for Mwaka? So you will be you call yourself Okwuluora, but this one now, you can't even speak for yourself. Who are the people that took you? And what do you have to say about them? What do you want to be done to them? All of a sudden, okay, imagine if you are not somebody that is supporting them. Would the commander have left you? Now, how many people do you think they took the way they take you that came back? On the buy in Iberibe, if not, I'm not the Bob and I call Biafra, no one has so issue, we couldn't have able have for 1 night. Doshi, the freedom fight. Therefore, do you waiting they do others? At least now you know say na Fulani catch you because you have shouted Fulani herdsmen before. On countless occasions, the ones that took you, are they Fulani or Igbo land? No, na nonsense. Let me bring on Ikenga. Let me check his. Look, I was supposed to do a program with him yesterday. Ikenga is not around here. I can't see him anymore. Ikenga is not Okwuluora and the emotional blackmail and like 5 and 6. Of course, now. You say he has been sidelined by Peter Mbak. A governor that is working doesn't need these people. This one say, my brother, this Okwuluora is worse than an enemy. No one kidnap people. He just want attention and pity from people. Now, another way of duping people. And this one where they say you get asthma. You know, say those days you go see people where they carry asthma bottle around. Maybe not the digital one. You can. But that place where you mentioned, that Omoaka, that thing they happen. Omoaka people where they confirm. This one say time will tell. Time don't tell now. Also, time don't tell already. Odibo ka o adi. Odigonu ka o adi. Okwu ajo nwanyi gwa adi ya. Which waiting time won't tell again. We pass the prophecy we give on 5 years ago. Time will tell. Ozu no say no na they bring the rope where they go use tie on. Have they located the Zimbabwe man in the Okwuluora COS case in the UK? That COS case, how we take care of himself? Wait, after I go call this girl for UK. After I go call her, know how the Zimbabwe man take go. I no tell her, I say the Zimbabwe man probably doesn't exist. I beg anybody wey get problem with Okwuluora for that DSS wey dem dey do the case like this, inbox me. Inbox me. Una dey hear me? Anybody wey get matter with Okwuluora and e dey use DSS for Enugu, dey intimidate you. Inbox me. See me the Zimbabwe here. Abubakar Sadiq Usman. Oh boy. You don't from Zimbabwe now. Una dey hear me? Please, someone write it in the comment section. Anybody that Okwuluora is intimidating with DSS in Enugu State, inbox Ijele. Make we bring am for Abuja here. Make them talk and well. Okay? No, now anybody wey armed robbers rob 10K, say na 50K, they owe them 40K and they must pay. If they know kidnap am, say they kidnap am, they go soon kidnap am. You go give them bad name finish, can't they free? No possible now. It seems the Ikenga is no longer in the broadcast. So my wonderful people, no, Peter abandoned to work with Okwuluora blog because I challenged him to stop attacking Governor Peter. Waiting him attack one. You know, say I see one place where he take picture with that. But in the governor where they work, no, they care whether they attack about it because not rubbish. Okay? Madam Chisom said that time don't tell now. They know I'm not working with. Thank you, so bad. But I want to know this one why they hear. Say that they use DSS, they intimidate people. You my brother, I don't get your WhatsApp. No change, you go know the WhatsApp number. Inbox me your number now. Let me text you. Then let me on a page. The presidential candidate is silent. Leave Peter Obi. Not see, Ndigbo, for people to know you are serious. Come and start making it clear that anybody that is not speaking against this insecurity and calling those responsible will not get your vote. Finish. Then this fight, you understand, one fight in election day. Make sure that every polling unit, all of on a camera, they there. Because some of on, I saw what you people did at the Holy Trinity polling unit. They need to remove polling units from these church compounds and schools owned by churches first. You understand? You say fish magnet, who buy him? Who buy all these people waiting they buy for Southeast? Eh? Who dey kpai all these people? Let me address the one wey say Izuchukwu. At least I beat your politicians and Ebuka Obi in that case. I go still beat them, but your Nnamdi Kanu go kpai inside prison. You do understand? Na kpai they go give am. Okay? Them don't write your number here. Umuoshi will start not here in the inbox. After the program, go to the page. You got favorite message, you know. Tell me Umuoshi me copy number. Don't write your number there again. I beg you. You inbox me that one. The WhatsApp, somebody that is in our WhatsApp, help you to visit Igbo land where they buy his Igbo brothers. Of course, now. Ibezimo, okay, I don't hear you. So my wonderful people, you say na gentle go from Okigwe, come do that thing for them. Now what do you mean? Say Sapele boys they do wetin? How gentle go from there? Now only gentle be the person. I know they call Sapele happy wetin. Let me repeat what I said yesterday. Why una never arrest gentle? Now because in hand no and on a hand no clean. As you accuse am like this, in hand no clean, your own hand no clean too. Okay? Leave false accusation. Oh. It can never be traced to gentle. Never. Not those ones who dey in charge of Anambra side. In fact, make them blame people like other Onyeke Chukwuma. That one where they arrest, take for put for Okuzu SARS for Anambra Police Command. Later they carry and go, you know, go free am there. And those kind of people, you go dey mention for that kind of side. If now something like Imo State, if you dey call gentle and people, but you see this one, wow, it can never be gentle. Naija makeup do am. Naija makeup come by the boy for Anambra State. Naija makeup do that one. My people, I beg, make I leave on a rush go run one or two things. See you later. I love you all.